guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today I bring you this look, and I had no idea, like I went into this video not knowing at all what I was gonna do, and I just came up with this. So I don't think it came up too bad, and yeah, just make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that great stuff. Thanks again for coming to my video once more, and if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Just gonna moisturize my face, guys. And I'm gonna just be taking my cucumber spray that I love so dearly for extra hydration. Okay, so I finished my eyebrows. This is the look. Moving on to eyes. I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing. Came into this video clueless, so yeah. I know what palette I'll be using, but when it comes to like an eye look or just a makeup look, no clue, no idea. I will start off with concealing my eyes as a base, so whatever I do can pop. I'm gonna, it's kind of dirty. So I'm gonna be using my Violet Voss palette, like a Voss. I know I'm really late. I thought this palette just came out, but I'm actually pretty late. I think it came out 3 months ago. I think. I don't know. But overall, I recently got it, and I think it's gorgeous. So it's pretty with it. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see it? I don't know. But it's gorgeous. So, like I said, no clue what I'm doing. But we just gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Serve as my transition color. Still don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go with the flow. This mirror is awesome. Now I'm gonna go in with Snatched. I'm gonna put that in my crease area, but there's, I'm gonna really spread it out. Now, to deepen things up just a bit more, I'm gonna go in with Strong, this shade right here. It's like a darker version of Snatched. I'm really gonna just put that in like my crease area. I'm not gonna really spread that up too high. I said I like it like that. I said I like it like that. I'm a district in the chain. I think I'm gonna go with Girl Crush. It's like this really yellow, goldy color. It's kind of like Trophy Wife, in my opinion. I have to explain it. And I'm just gonna swatch it. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's just really yellow. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put Amazeballs. Okay, Amazeballs onto my lid. Okay, we're gonna plop that on. No, I did not cut my crease. Ooh, it's pretty. I like Amazeballs. probably saying that so.
Hop up the stoop, jump in the coop, big dip on top of the roof, flexing on bitches as hard as I can.
Then we're gonna go back with Girl Crush, like I said, trophy wife. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm just gonna clean it off. Put it on the inner part. I'm gonna take my electric palette. I'm gonna be taking Thrash. It's like a lime green color. I'm just gonna take a bit of it just to brighten the inner part that I did a bit more. So against the yellow I put.
Me gustan boricua, me gustan cubana. Me gusta el acento de la colombiana. Como me ve el culo la dominicana.
And I'm gonna go back in with Amazeballs. Sorry, I'm just really trying to like, that's actually the name of the color. Put it in the center. The gel eyeliner by Vulgar, by Pretty Vulgar in Blacklist. Okay. Looks like a little ink jar. I usually do eyeliner off camera just to take so much concentration, and it can take time, and I'd rather do it off camera. So, but let's try this. Okay. I tried, and I just need both my hands, guys. So I will be back. I'm sorry, but I'll come back. My liner, and I threw on some lashes. These lashes are by Cardi Beauty, and I want to say Iconic, but do not quote me on that. But yeah. So now I'm moving on to the face. I'm gonna take my Cover FX blurring primer, and we're gonna just apply that over, guys.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
With some Nars Radiant Foundation.
I said I like it like that. I'm the district in the chain.
I don't really put my foundation like literally everywhere, especially underneath my eye area. If you notice, like I kind of like dodge that area just because it avoids less creasing, because I noticed before it's like, and I like full coverage, so I'll put on my full coverage foundation underneath my eyes, plus put on concealer, plus I put on a bit more concealer, and then I'll just crease up really badly. So I noticed, okay, instead of putting so much product underneath my eye area, let me just not put foundation underneath my eyes. So I really just focus on like the parameters of my face, and then I put the concealer just within the area. Then we'll go back in with my Nars cream concealer. Woo! I look way on camera. Okay, guys, it'll all work out in the end, I promise. That's why we just. So honestly, I'm just too lazy to walk back to get my Verona setting powder. So I'm just gonna use what I have here. So I'm gonna set my face with the, well, you can't even see that, with the Ruby Kiss Mineral Powder, okay, in the color Rich Beige. really and truly just gonna put that all over. And I'll light them out.
Latino gang, gang, yeah. Trato de hacer dieta, pero es que en el closet tengo mucha grasa. Ya mudé la Gucci pa' dentro de casa, yeah. Cabrón, a ti no te conocen ni en plaza.
But yes, to contour, I'm gonna start off with the pure Sculptor palette. And I'm gonna go in with Founder, which is right there. And gonna pay that.
Billetes de 100 en el maletín. Que retumbe el bajo y Valentín, yeah. Aquí prohibido amar, dile charitín. Que per pico le tengo claritín. Yo llego a la...
Now I'm gonna warm it up just a bit with my Morphe contour palette that I always use and I adore and I just love. So I'm gonna take, excuse the mess, but I'm taking this shade right here. Couldn't tell you the color because they're not numbered or named, so sorry. And this color, or this shade, I'm just gonna drag up a bit more.
Te vamos a tumbar la peluca y arranca pa'l carajo, cabrón, que a ti no te va a pasar la boca. Mi tele y Valenciaga me reciben en la entrada.
Again, I would take some Laura Mercier powder and just kind of chisel this more so you can really capture that contour and so it lies more into my jaw bone area, but I'm lazy to go get it. So I'm gonna use this to compensate. It's not gonna be as effective, it's not, but we're gonna work with what we have right now.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
Taking my fur brush, spraying that bad boy. Of course, do I have to say it? Do I have to say it? Okay. Finish she up. And I love this color. Zanzibar. Where did it even come from?
Call me Cardi, Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Virgo, Ferrari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe, big dip on top of the roof.
And we're not done. Now, what you should do, I'm gonna take Tahiti, which is more of like a goldy color, and place it right on top.
Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name?
Okay, and then I'm going to take Seychelles. Sorry, I'll use this hand. Seychelles, and this color is very bright, and if I only put this on my face, it doesn't really complement my skin tone. So I take a bit of this because this color is dangerous for me. And I just place this on top of everything, but on the very highest points. So, like, I'm not gonna drag it. I'm literally just gonna put it right there. And that's it. That's all I need. Okay. And the same thing. So the highest part of my cheeks. And then I do use this color to, I don't know why I'm saying color, shade, I guess, to highlight everything else in my face, just because I feel like you notice it better compared to the other two. But I take Seychelles and I take Tahiti, and I kind of mix those and I apply it everywhere else in my face. So okay, now let's roughly about all these products onto my lips. I tend to do that when it comes to lips. I never just directly use one color. I'm always mixing something with something. So first I want to do a matte lip. I'm like, I'm gonna add some gloss. So we're gonna line the lips with the MAC lip pencils. I'm going to use Vino. Mirror. Vino, and just lightly line that. And I like to overdraw my lips just to give myself more of that you know.
Ya no soy high, soy como el testa rosa. Soy el que se la vive y también el que la goza. Goza, es la cosa, mami es la cosa. El que mira sufre y el que toca.
Next, I'm gonna go in with this lip color, and it is so pretty. I got this in my Boxy Charm. It's like the perfect nude for me. This is by Ofra, long lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in Verona.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the...
So I'm gonna take my lip gloss. This is just lip gloss I got from my local beauty supply. It's by Ruby Kisses. Okay, I just put it on my hand. I'm gonna take a brush because I just don't want to get this too messy. And I'm just gonna take some gloss.
Flexing on bitches as hard as I can, eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though. Got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B.
Okay, so I'm just gonna fix up my hair and stuff, and I'll be back with the final look.
Drop the top and